How to use badges in Last Z survival shooter. The first things first, if this is going to be the first time that you played on this game, ensure that you're currently running the latest version of the app. Now log in into the game, and the very first thing that you want to have to check out first is make sure that you already created or built a laboratory or research facility. Now there, you will be able to unlock those badges available that you can use. And before, badges are only used for primarily for tech upgrades and unlocking specific content, such as expanding the map or accessing certain items in event chests. Now they can also be used to gain merit points, which contributes to unlocking final chests in certain in-game events. So again, for you to be able to equip all those badges available that you earned, is make sure that you already built laboratory or research facility. So that's how you use badges in Last Z survival shooter.